Okay, so share ko sa inyo to guys, no, kung paano natin guys ma-fix guys yung your account is already registered to another phone. So kapag nakaranas kayo ng ganitong situation guys, no, or ganitong pangyayari guys na your account is already registered to another phone guys, ay ang una natin ditong gagawin guys ay screenshot natin to guys, no, itong your account is already registered to another phone. So screenshot natin yan. Yan. So kapag na-screenshot na natin yan siya guys, ang gagawin natin dito guys ay isasend natin guys, isasama natin to guys, isend sa help center guys via submit a ticket guys sa help center ng GCash guys, no. So yan yung unang gagawin natin guys, no, ay screenshot natin. So kapag na-screenshot na natin guys ay pupunta tayo dito guys sa ating GCash application guys, or dito guys sa Chrome browser natin guys. So just in case guys, no, na hindi nyo magamit guys yung GCash application nyo guys para makapag-submit ng ticket guys, pwede natin gamitin ito guys yung Chrome browser natin guys. So tuturo ko sa inyo guys, no. So simulan natin guys. So dapat na screenshot niyo yan guys, no. So screenshot niyo yan, tapos punta tayo guys sa Chrome browser natin guys. Dito tayo guys mag-access guys ng submit a ticket guys. Okay, so pagdating natin dito guys sa Google Chrome browser natin, dito sa search engine guys, no, ay i-type lang natin dito guys yung GCash Help Center guys. Yan. So yan yung i-type niyo guys, no, GCash Help Center guys, tapos i-browse natin. Yan. So pag-browse natin guys, makita natin dito guys yung website ng GCash Help Center guys. So dito tayo papasok guys, no. So click natin yan. So pagka-click natin yan guys ay ito yung lalabas guys, no. So kung makita nyo dito, how can we help you? So dito sa baba, makita niyo dito guys yung chat with Gigi guys. So i-click natin guys yung chat with Gigi. Yan. So wait lang natin guys, no. So medyo mahina guys yung connection natin. Yan. So wait lang natin guys, mag-chat si Gigi or Gigi ba ito guys, yan. So dito guys, nag-reply na sa atin today. Yan. So dito sa message guys, i-type lang natin dito guys yung submit a ticket. Yan. So yan lang yung i-type natin guys. So click natin guys yung arrow na ito. Yan. So pagka-click natin yan guys ay magsisend guys yung ni-type natin guys na submit a ticket. Ngayon guys ay bibigyan tayo guys ng submit a ticket guys na form guys ni GCash guys. Yan. Ito guys, no. After ticket submission, we will review your request and will be touched with your within the next 24 hours. Yan. So ngayon guys, i-access na natin ito guys yung submit a ticket guys para ma-fix natin guys yung your account is already registered to another phone. Yan. So yan yung binigay sa atin ni GCash guys or ni Gigi guys or ni Gigi guys, no. So ngayon guys, i-access natin guys yung submit a ticket guys. So click natin na submit a ticket. Yan. So hintayin lang natin guys. Yan. Tapos pag click natin guys ng submit a ticket ay ito na yung lalabas guys, no. So scroll natin pababa guys. Yan. So makita natin dito guys yung your email address guys. Yan. So dito guys sa your email address guys, kung ano yung naka-register doon sa inyong GCash account guys ay ito rin yung ilalagay niyo dito guys sa your email dito sa your email address guys. Yan. So dapat guys mag-match guys yung information nyo guys, no, para maiwasan natin guys yung error guys. So dito sa GCash registered full name, kung anong naka-register doon sa account niyo ay dito rin yung ganito rin yung ilalagay nyo dito guys na full name niyo guys. So same lang guys sa your email address guys, no. Tapos select the country where you registered your GCash account. So select lang natin guys yung country natin guys kung saan tayo nakapag-registered guys ng account natin guys. So ako guys, nakapag-registered ako dito guys sa Philippines. So Philippines yan guys. So Philippines tayo guys. Yan. Tapos dito guys sa mobile number, kung ano yung naka-register doon guys sa account niyo ay ilalagay rin niyo dito guys yung number niyo guys na naka-register doon sa account niyo guys. Tapos dito sa concerned category. So next tayo dito guys sa concerned category guys. I-click lang natin guys yung arrow na ito guys, no, yan. So click natin yan. So sa concern category nga guys, dahil nga yung lumalabas guys sa ating sa system guys, your account is already registered to another phone, ay pipiliin natin dito guys yung uh, I cannot log in. Ito guys, no? I cannot log in. Ito, I cannot log in to my GCash app. Yan, or application guys. Yan, so piliin natin guys, I cannot log in into my GCash app. Yan, tapos select natin dito guys yung select which statement is most relevant to your case. So click natin yung arrow na ito ulit. Yan. Tapos hanapin natin dito guys yung ito guys, no? Hanapin natin dito guys yung I saw an error. Your account is already registered to another phone. So ito yung pipiliin natin guys, no? Kasi ito yung lumalabas guys sa system guys kapag nag-open tayo guys ng account natin guys. So click natin to. Yan. So tandaan lang nyo yan guys, no? I saw an error. Your account is already registered to another phone. So yan yung pipiliin natin guys. So dito naman, what best describe your situation. So click lang natin ulit yung arrow. Magpipili tayo dito ulit. Yan. So dito guys, dito sa scenario na ito guys, so kapag ang inyong old phone guys, kung gusto nyong i-forgot to remove unregistered my old phone, so ito yung pipiliin nyo guys, no? Kung gusto nyo guys, i-remove guys or i-forgot guys sa luma nyong phone guys. Halimbawa guys ay nawala or nanakaw yung phone nyo guys, ay piliin nyo to guys yung i-forgot to remove guys para ma-secure ninyo guys yung GCash account nyo guys. So dito naman guys, this is the same phone I registered before guys. Kapag ang inyong GCash application guys ay na-install nyo or na-reinstall lang nyo guys at nagkaroon guys ng problem guys. So piliin lang natin guys yung this is the same phone I registered before. Yan. So kapag naman guys yung may registered phone got damaged guys. Halimbawa nasira yung phone nyo guys. So ito yung pipiliin natin guys, no. My registered phone got damaged guys. So kapag ito naman guys, kapag I tried doing the step but it did not work. Kapag nagawa na nyo guys yung step na ito guys at hindi pa rin gumana guys. So pipiliin natin to guys. I tried doing the steps but it did not work. So dahil nga yung atin guys, so sa akin guys sa situation ko guys ay yung old phone ko guys ay nawala guys, no. So pipiliin lang nyo guys, I forgot to remove unregistered my old phone. So tatanggalin natin doon sa lumang phone natin guys yung account natin guys para ma-secure natin guys, no. So pipiliin natin guys yung I forgot to remove unregistered my old phone. So nasa sa inyo na yan guys, no, kung saan yung situation nyo guys. So sa akin guys, halimbawa guys, ito guys, no, I forgot to remove unregistered my old phone. Yan. So yan yung napili ko guys. So dito naman guys sa if others can you elaborate why you reinstall. So sabihin lang natin dito guys, no, because the system says your account, yan, so your account, so wait lang guys, no, your account is already registered to another phone. So yan lang yung ilalagay natin guys, no. Tapos next tayo dito guys sa mga box na ito guys. So kailangan natin dito guys ng a valid government issue ID guys. So katulad nito, SSID, UMID, driver's license, passport, or at iba pa guys, no. So i-click lang natin yan guys. So kailangan natin to guys, no, yung valid government issue ID at yung selfie holding your valid ID which clearly shows the details guys. So dapat guys, no, malinaw guys yung pagka selfie natin guys. Okay? So i-check natin to guys yung box na ito na dalawa na ito. So check natin yan. Yan. So kailangan natin to guys, no. So bali tatlo itong isisend natin guys. Yung na screenshot natin guys na your account is already registered to another phone. Tapos ito yung ang pangalawa na ito ay yung valid government issue ID at yung selfie holding your valid ID. Yan. So yan siya guys, no. So dapat guys maliwanag guys, no. Malinaw guys para maiwasan natin guys yung error guys. So mag-selfie lang tayo, hawak natin yung valid ID natin, tapos okay na yan siya guys. Dapat ano guys, no, malinaw guys. Tapos yung valid government issue ID natin dapat hindi expire guys, no. Kung ano yung pang ginamit nyo guys sa pag-register ng ID nyo guys, so pwede niyo siyang gamitin yan guys, no. Nung gumawa kayo guys ng GCash account nyo guys. Okay? So next naman tayo dito guys sa kindly. So ito pala guys, no, ito yung yung na-screenshot natin, your account is already registered to another phone. Isa yan sa requirements natin guys para isend natin dito sa submit a ticket guys. At yung valid government issue ID at selfie holding your valid ID guys, which clearly show the details guys. So isesend natin yan dito guys sa attachment na ito guys, no? Or dito guys sa add file or drop files here. So dito natin yan siya isesend guys, no? Yan. So ano muna tayo dito guys sa kindly provide all the details that we will assess you with your concern. So dito muna tayo guys sa concern natin guys, no? So yun nga guys, yung concern natin guys, yung GCash account natin guys ay merong lumalabas guys na your account is already registered to another phone. So dito guys, meron ako ditong ginawang feedback guys. So pwede nyong gamitin or pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili nyong concern or feedback guys, no? So papakita ko lang sa inyo guys yung ginawa kong feedback guys. Yan. So ito lang yung ginawa kong feedback guys, no? Ito. Yan. So wait lang guys. Yan. So ito lang ginawa kong feedback guys, no? Hi GCash team, I cannot log into my GCash application because the system says your account is already registered to another phone. My problem is I don't have an access to my old phone. Kindly help me to fix it. Thank you GCash team. So yan lang yung ginawa ko guys, no? So pwede nyo gamitin yan guys, or pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili nyong feedback or concern guys, no? Yan. So next tayo dito guys sa attachment or attachments na ito guys, no? Add file or drop files here guys. So kailangan natin dito guys isend guys yung sinabi ko sa inyo guys na valid government issue ID at yung selfie holding your valid ID. Yan. Tapos yung na screenshot natin guys na your account is already registered another phone. So i-click lang nyo yan guys, no? I-click lang nyo guys yung add file at magkakaroon na kayo guys ng access guys sa inyong napicturan guys na ID at yung sa hawak nyo guys na valid IDs nyo guys na naka-selfie kayo guys, no? Tapos yung sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung na screenshot na natin na your account is already registered to another phone. Tapos click lang natin ito guys, yung submit na ito guys, no? Yan. So ganun lang kadali guys, no? Kung paano natin guys ma-fix guys yung your account is already registered to another phone. Okay? So I hope guys na makatulong sa inyo itong video tutorial natin guys. So maraming salamat sa panonood guys, no? Sa mga bago pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, huwag natin kalimutang i-click yung subscribe para ma-update ko kayo guys sa susunod dating video tutorial. Thank you guys and God bless sa lahat.